time say that? You say hi.
Hi.
Hi mga bata.
Hi mga bata.
Okay. So, kumusta mga to? So, ngayong araw is nakuha namin yung test paper ng anak ko galing sa school. So, yung score niya is 18 out of 20. Stand here. What grade are you now? Grade?
1.
Okay.
Wow!
So, ngayon, tinignan namin ni mami niya yung kanyang test paper. So, syempre, chinek namin kasi 18 out of 20, tinignan namin yung mali niya. So, dito, okay naman. Perfect lahat. Dito, perfect lahat. Dito, perfect lahat. Ngayon, dito pala siya nagkamali sa likod. So, nakalagay dito, color the picture that shows respect to others. 5 points. So, una, yung picture is, yan, parang sinisipa yung winawalis ni kuya. So, hindi niya nilagyan ng color kasi nga, hindi pangalawa, ito, yung tinutulak yung bata. So, correct ulit, hindi niya nilagyan ng color. Ito, yung pangatlo, nilagyan niya ng color kasi nagmamano.
I thought you're stepping on it.
Oh, that's why you didn't color it. So, yung pangapat, nakita namin yung isang mali. Ito, okay lang. Kasi hindi niya kinulayan. Nandyan yung teacher, nakatayo yung student. Dapat may color to. Pero yung hindi namin... Pero, sinek namin yung huling picture. Hindi niya nilagyan ng kulay. So,
Why?
bakit? Why? So, meaning this one is not respecting this one.
Because you know why?
Oh, why?
It's not doing like this.
Not-
It's doing like this.
Oh,
It's getting his kalangu.
So, dapat, yung sa picture kasi, yan. Dapat pala, the picture shows like, quiet because
But it's doing like this.
so that's why you didn't color it. Because it is what?
Kulangu.
Ang sabi daw niya, nangungulangot daw to. Nangungulangot daw. So, yun lang mga to. Gusto lang namin i-share yung nakakatawa na test paper ng anak namin. So, medyo naintindihan namin kasi nga nakatutok yung daliri sa ilong. So, akala niya siguro, what do you think it is? What doing?
He's eating his kulangot.
Should be dapat may kulay kasi nga it's
Not like this.
like this.
Doing like this. I'm thinking like a loop.
It should be quiet because the the nana is sleeping. See?
He's doing like this. He's saying like this. Hello, mommy. Wait. He's saying like, sister, be quiet. I'm picking my kulangot.
Okay, yan lang mga to. Gusto lang namin magbigay ng goodbye. Next time, no? Check ha. Okay, bye-bye.